Nordic Kitchen, Classic Recipes from Scandinavia. This is a cookbook written by Darra Goldstein, a renowned food writer and scholar of Russian culture. This book explores the cuisine of the Nordic region, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and Iceland. The cookbook is divided into chapters that correspond to the different seasons of the year, with each chapter featuring recipes that highlight the ingredients that are available during that time. For example, the winter chapter includes recipes for hearty, stews, and roasts, while the summer chapter features lighter dishes that make use of fresh herbs and vegetables. The book includes recipes for classic Nordic desserts like Swedish apple cake and Finnish blueberry pie. Fire and Ice, Classic Nordic Cooking is an excellent resource for anyone interested in learning about Nordic cuisine and incorporating its flavors into their own cooking. With its beautiful photography and insightful writing, it is a must-have for any cookbook collection.